In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply custom formatting to the subject line in Gmail emails. This can really help your email stand out and convey your message more effectively. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. To start, you'll need to incorporate a nifty little tool into your Chrome browser that enables this feature. First, head over to your Chrome browser and open Google. In the search bar, type Formatted Email Subject Lines by CloudHQ and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results. When you see the CloudHQ tool, go ahead and click on it. This nifty extension makes formatting your email subjects much easier and visually appealing. Now once you've clicked on the link, your next step is to add this feature to your browser. To do this, simply click on Add to Chrome. You might need to confirm your choice by clicking Add Extension in a pop-up window. This installs the tool to your browser, making it ready to use with your Gmail. With the extension successfully added to your Chrome, you're now ready to apply this function directly within Gmail. Move on over to your Gmail account and open it up. Once you are in, it's time to start composing a new email. To do this, click on the Compose button, typically found on the left side of your inbox. This action will open a new email window where you can start drafting your message. In the new email interface, focus on the subject line area. Begin by typing out the subject of your email as you normally would, something that effectively captures the essence of your message. This is where it gets interesting. Next to the subject line, you should now see a style subject icon, courtesy of the CloudHQ extension you installed earlier. This icon is your gateway to customizing the appearance of your subject line. Click on the style icon and a menu will appear with a variety of formatting options. These options can range from changing the color of your text to bolding, italicizing, or even adding unique styles that can catch the reader's attention instantly. Select the formatting style that you feel best conveys the tone or message of your email while remaining professional and on point. Remember, while getting playful with formats can add a personal touch, it's important to stay relevant to the context of your email and your relationship with the recipient. After all your selections, your email subject will automatically reflect the changes you have made. Review it to ensure it looks perfect, then proceed to finish composing the rest of your email. There you have it, a compelling, visually engaging email subject line that stands out in any inbox. By following these steps, you can effectively make your emails more eye-catching and memorable. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.